What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Jasmy, which has not been performing too well over the last few weeks and few months, as you guys can see, constantly dropping in value. However, similar situation here for Bitcoin, as where it has been dropping in value quite a bit. It hasn't touched the $100,000 mark in nearly 2 months guys, which is not looking too great. So we'll be going through what is next for Jasmy going into Q2. Is it a buy, is it a sell, or is it a simply hold on to it? But before I go any further, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So here we can see it has gone up just over 9% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just over the 1 cent target. Over the week, a massive 11% down, and over the month, 42% down over the last month guys. That is a major drop. However, is it likely to come back up? Is it likely to recover? We can see here on the Bollinger Band, it has been trading in the lower half quite constantly since about late January. It has been trading in the lower half, which is not looking too great, and right now it is trading close to the green line. So at the moment, I'm predicting it to drop down further over the next, well, not for the long term, but over the next 2 to 3 weeks, I'm predicting it to drop further down, hitting more red candles. So essentially, let's get this arrow. So essentially just about dropping again, nothing major, however constantly dropping in value before potentially going through a minimal increase in value going into May, June, July. I'm predicting not just Jasmy but the crypto market to slowly start to recover again, with what's going on with Trump and all the tariffs that he is inputting on across the countries, including the UK, has had a major negative impact on the stock and the crypto market. However, again, these things do have a major impact, but it is the waiting game guys. When it comes to investments, especially stocks and crypto, it's all about the waiting game. I'm currently holding on to my cryptos. I'm not panic selling. I'm not buying more because I'm predicting the market to drop a little bit further over the next few weeks before it slowly starts to recover. Talking about that, if you guys want to learn on how to do your own analysis and predictions and so on, you guys can access my trading guide, which I spent days making, in the description box down below. There is a discount code right now. I believe it's 50 off for 50% off. Again, that is only for the first 100 users. And again, the full-on guide shows you what technical analysis I use, how I do what trading platforms I use, risk management and all of that stuff. But yeah, if you guys are interested, link is in the description box down below. So if we get rid of this and if we do bring on the RSI at the bottom, we can see it is at 33.54, which is pretty low guys, on the verge of being undervalued because it is very close to the bottom line here, which is just about 30, and right now it is at 33. So once it drops a little bit further down, we can see since last year December it has gradually just been dropping at a slow pace, and it is likely to carry on that way. And once it does hit around 27-28, which it should hit by mid to late April, we should see a slow recovery from Jasmy going into May, June, July, and for the second half of the year we should see slow recovery. But at the moment it is not looking too great, not just for this crypto but the crypto market in general. Bringing on the MACD indicator, we can see here on what we are looking at the daily chart. So let's zoom in into the hourly chart. We can see that the MACD line is trading above the baseline and the signal line, which is looking quite good. Over the next couple of hours we are likely to see minimal increase in value. However, that is for the short term, literally over the next few hours. If we zoom out here to the 4-hour chart, we can see here it is still looking quite bullish. However, that is based upon the last couple of hours here. And zooming out to the daily chart, as you guys can see, it's not looking as bullish anymore because the crypto market has not been performing too well, indicating an overall fluctuation in value from Jasmy over the next month or two going into May, June. We should expect Jasmy to be hovering around the 1 cent target, but as I mentioned, I am predicting the crypto market to go for an increase in value going into second half of the year, and we should see Jasmy trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading closer to 4-5 cents in value towards the end of the year is what my current predictions are at the moment. But again, if you guys do want regular updates on Jasmy and the crypto market in general, let me know in the comment section down below. So yeah, at the moment, the trading volume is down 18% in the last 24 hours at $68 million, and the trading volume has also dropped majorly over the last couple of weeks and months as the crypto market has been down. So not many people are interested into the crypto market right now, but once it does start to pump up again and we see Bitcoin heading past $120,000, we should gain more traction and the trading volume will literally just shoot back up. But yeah, that is my prediction on Jasmy. I'm not predicting a breakout right now. However, in the second half of the year, I am predicting increases in value. But if you guys do want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.